Fatman Terra has been a huge proponent in the crypto markets. Let's talk about what he thinks of the Luna Classic market. If you want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button. Keep you guys more updated with more awesome news. But really, really, really awesome stuff inside. And we're going to be talking about a burn today. That's right. You clicked on the right video. So, the burn. What about it? Can it happen? Terra Luna Classic down to 1 billion market cap. Is it possible? If you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button as always. And I'll keep you guys updated in real time. But that's really important. I don't know who needed to hear this, but there are Luna Classic buyers. I don't really think this is the matter of facts. Luna Classic will hit no matter how much you burn, which, could be. But what we're seeing right now is that Terra Luna Classic is still going strong in the long run. And that's exactly what we are seeing is still, one of those basic proponents that a lot of people like. And it's one of those stronger tokens that a lot of people appreciate. So, what will happen next with Terra Luna? Burning will have very little impact to price due to dead on-chain volume. Major exchanges will never participate. But a lot of people have been asking Binance to do a huge burn. And if they do it, it would be huge. So I may sell a small amount of Luna and only 10 million X gains to replace the Bitcoin lost in liquidation. Small to mean mints 1 to 10K. And, people have been asking that we should burn Luna really, really lots and lots. I'll take a risk on the quant doing the right investors who stepped out the Terra most when he needed it, when every dollar was stepping, the Luna price was from falling to literally zero, thus stopping the peg mechanism from shooting off literally to mint infinite Luna, or more likely that would probably have caused software crashes in multiple systems from divide by zero numeric overflows. I think it's really important that at the bottom, a few determined buyers were propping it up above zero. I was one of them. It was not merely luck, not a lottery ticket. It was my desire to see Luna succeed, my vision of what Terra could become, combined with a murmuring to myself, this is my CZ moment. So when he sold his apartment to buy early Bitcoin. So that means 1 Luna is 1 Luna, and the basis of 1 Luna, I will hold to 10 million X or 0 in dollar terms. So let's reiterate with maths. Assume Binance burns their entire portion, 2.170 million Luna Classic wallet, a bigger burn than all of the proposals. Proposals have been saying to burn actual 1.2%, and if Terra actually burns that, which has almost 50% of all Terra from other users as well. I'm not sure if other users keep it on exchanges or not, bringing the supply down to 4.37 trillion. A 1 cent Luna will require a 43 billion market cap, 110x higher than the current market cap. Not possible. But what if we burn even more than that? What if we burn even more than 4.37 trillion? The people telling you can burn a coin with no product and push it to a higher market cap than Luna is lying to you. They're feeding you irresponsible false hope, and it does far more harm than good. One day you're behind Luna Classic holders and the other day you're not. My position on this has been exactly the same. Fatman Terra is not very Luna friendly. But yeah, what we are seeing right now is just not a lot of people liking Terra Luna as much, and they don't really appreciate it. But that is okay too, right? So that's what we want to see. The news that Luna Classic will burn USDC, and you come out with this. Burning USDC is dumb as well. A lot of people have been saying that to burn Terra Classic. Most of the victims have already sold, so it doesn't benefit actually who lost money. Plus, it's B with exact same fundamental problem, dead on-chain volume, making the burn fairly impactful. It's incredibly responsible of you to give false hope to people who already lost everything. Run the numbers yourself. Luna Classic has no chance of hitting a 40 billion market cap. Well, this might be true. What if it burns even more? What if we burn 2 trillion, another 2 trillion? That means Terra Luna would have to hit a 20 billion market cap, which is definitely possible, and it can hit 1 cent that way. Now, again, I see Terra, Fatman's Terra proposition that it will be impossible overall to do that, but again, it is possible, but it is very unlikely for Terra to hit 1 cent. Does this mean it's impossible? Well, 1 cent is possible. We just need to burn enough. And, even if Binance burns all their own supply, it's just simply not enough because it's still 4.37 trillion. So what do you guys think about this? Is this Luna Classic or 2.0? He wants Luna 2 to pump because he's scared of Luna Classic. He sees the writing on the wall for Luna 2, which is bad. But right now, a lot of people are against Luna 2.0 and are still supporting Luna Classic because it's the community token. Step by step, the community will achieve something big. It could be that everyone gives up on Luna Classic. CZ Binance even said the word "I'm possible," right? If it burns. I like your deep dive investigations, but these big claims lacking evidence or calculation, because a lot of people have been saying that Terra Classic can hit 1 cent. It actually can. It's unclear why you say major exchanges will never participate. Well, make no claim to the likelihood of this. If an exchange held 2 trillion on Luna Classic, the value would be 120 million USD. As is, if they can't really sell it without harming the customers, which would be a poor business decision. Exchanges hold customer funds. They don't own all the Luna Classic and can't just burn it whenever they please, which is definitely true. Even if they owned it, which they don't, major exchanges simply aren't in for a business of burning tens of millions of dollars. Won't happen. I generally don't understand what's happening with the Binance main account, but there are seemingly too few transactions per hour to be users. But regardless, see my last message regarding a potential return on investment. Plus 100 million for a market campaign isn't unrealistic. So, do you guys think exchanges will burn their own Terra Classic? Will they do it? Probably not. Will some of these exchanges, support a 1.2% burn tax? Maybe. And a lot of these exchanges won't profit from this unless we get a higher trading volume and it's in markets profitable. So right now, someone said CZ Binance said on 13 and 14 May that the Quan should do the burn. Then Binance bought 2 trillion Luna Classic to capitalize off these. So I'm not sure if this is true. Like, a lot of this is FUD in my opinion. I mean, a lot of people have their own opinions, but everyone wanted to burn. Everyone wanted to burn, and everyone wanted to see a burn. I think even maybe more prominent figures. But do you guys think 1 cent is possible? Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone.